Hi! Do you want to learn how to easily connect your Marshall Acton III speaker to your smartphone for instant music playback without any hassle? Let's get started. The speaker must be properly connected to the power source, or it will not work. You will need a charging cable. Connect one end of the cable directly to the speaker from its backside, ensuring a secure connection, and the other end to the power source. Done. Lower the activation lever. Here you go. You will see illuminated indicators next to the sound, bass, and frequency settings on the control panel. Now on the left side of the panel, you can easily switch between Bluetooth and AUX mode by connecting a cable for quick access and seamless switching between audio sources. We need the Bluetooth mode. Press this button once to activate the Bluetooth indicator light. The indicator will light up, yet that still doesn't mean you will be able to connect the smartphone to the speaker. To initiate this process, you must press and hold the source button for approximately 3 seconds until the indicator begins to flash, indicating that the action has been successfully activated. Pairing mode activated with a sound. This means that we can easily connect the device to the smartphone for seamless integration. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, and among the devices, locate our Acton III speaker. Now you can easily play your favorite music. You will find more helpful tips for the speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to ensure that our channel appears at the top of search results when tackling problems.